Hey everyone, Evan Hoflick here from evanhoflickmarketing.com, and in this video we're going to go over how to get more blog followers using certain SEO tactics and strategies. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So first things first, SEO can really be your best friend when it comes to getting more blog followers. And in fact, this should be a top priority of yours if you're a blogger. You will have to invest some time in implementing SEO strategies, but you don't have to invest money. And SEO is the type of tactic that can work for you for months and years to come. You can get your articles ranked highly within the search engines, the major search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and drive targeted organic traffic to your website. As long as you're targeting highly relevant keyword phrases, optimizing your articles and your content properly, this can be such an excellent way to get more blog followers and to increase your overall audience, following, and readership. So in order to do this, let's go over a few steps that you can use to increase your overall blog following using search engine optimization. Number one would be to target the right keywords. So many times I see the mistake of people and more beginner bloggers target keywords that are way too broad or competitive in nature. You're better off trying to target keywords that are a bit longer tail, so keywords and phrases that have, more than 3 to 4 or even 5 keywords within a given phrase. So instead of targeting a keyword, for example, dog training, you might want to target a keyword such as how to train a dog on a leash, for example. Get into the habit of targeting and identifying and researching really good keywords that are longer tail in nature, as these are going to be a lot less competitive for you and you'll be able to rank higher more quickly for these types of terms. Next, you're going to want to incorporate your main keyword or keywords, if you have variations of your terms, into your blog title, your URL slug, and also your SEO tags. So when you're incorporating your keyword into your blog title, make sure it still reads natural. You want your blog title to also be enticing to human visitors. You don't want to just write this title strictly for SEO purposes, but try to weave it in there naturally if you can. Same goes for the URL. Try to get your main keyword or even a variation of the keyword into your URL slug, as long as it's not too lengthy or too long. You want to keep this shorter if you can, or at least try to get a few of your buzzwords within the URL of your blog post. And lastly, you're going to definitely want to incorporate your keywords within your SEO tags. So within your title tags, your meta description, your image alt tags if you have images on your blog post, and also your header tags. So the header tags include your H1 tag, H2, H3, etc. You can use Yoast if you run a WordPress website, which is a super helpful plugin to help you accomplish this very easily. You can just scroll down generally on your blog post as you're working on it. You can see the Yoast settings and features, and from there you can incorporate your keyword into your title tag, your meta description. Within your images, you can click on the images within your blog post, and there's a section to add a keyword-rich image alt tag and alt text. And then your headers are within the content, so make sure your H1 tags, your H2 tags, etc. You are incorporating your keywords where it makes sense and where it's natural. Again, we want all of our SEO tags as well. We want this to be natural. We want to really make these attractive to human visitors as well. We don't want to just keyword stuff or keyword jam our terms into our content and SEO tags. We want them to be present, but we want to make this natural and only apply them where appropriate. So if you're using Yoast, it's a really great plugin to make this process pretty easy. Try to implement your keywords into your blog title, your URL, and your SEO tags to give you the best shot of ranking in the search results. So next is to create detailed, long form, and comprehensive content. So Google more than ever really wants to see and rank articles on their first page that are really helpful, they're really comprehensive, they're detailed, they really cover a subject in its entirety. So a good kind of range to shoot for if you're trying to rank a particular article highly in Google that will, in return bring you in organic traffic and help you increase your blog followers. Try to make your posts 1,500 words or longer if you can for the best results. Some of my best performing blog posts are these longer form style posts where, I really cover a subject in its entirety. I help answer a lot of questions. I help solve problems. You hear the saying content is king, but I really think quality content is king, and creating these detailed type comprehensive posts that are really going to help the reader find a solution to their problem. That's going to help you, one, rank higher in the search results, but two, gain more blog followers, because it's going to be such a helpful, detailed, and long form style content that's really going to help provide some solutions to a lot of your future readers and future followers. Next, you want to make sure your content is optimized properly. So you want to make sure you add in your main keyword phrase or phrases and variations of the keyword within your content. And you also want to add internal links as well, pointing to other pages on your website or blog posts on your website. So again, don't keyword stuff here. Only add your keywords into your content where it makes sense. If you did a nice long form style post like discussed in the last step, this will give you a lot of room and a lot of area and a lot of opportunity to add your relevant keyword phrases within your blog post. You also want to add a handful of internal links within your post as well. So internal linking can help navigate readers to other helpful articles on your website. It could help spread some link juice and link equity to other pages and articles on your website as well. It's a good SEO tactic to help spread that link equity, but it's also just good for user experience. It's nice to direct your readers to other helpful articles on your site, and that can really maybe make their decision for them sometimes if they want to follow your blog moving forward or if they don't. So add in your relevant keyword phrases to your content, and also add a handful of internal links within your content as well. Again, make it natural and only where it makes sense. Next, and one of my favorite steps, is to guest post like crazy. Now, guest posting has a couple of benefits here, and basically a really quick refresher on guest posting. Basically, you want to find other websites within your general niche that are looking for blog content that you can then write an article for their website. Within that article that gets published on an external website, your link will be somewhere within that article, whether it's the author bio that you have, describing you or your business, or you can sometimes add a link directly in the content. So that link, that backlink, can be very powerful from an SEO perspective. That can help drive your website and your rankings, your search engine rankings higher, can help improve your search engine rankings, therefore will help increase the organic traffic coming into your website. But you can also get a ton of really high quality referral traffic from guest posting as well. So you can increase your blog following here by, one, improving your search engine rankings, getting more organic traffic coming into your website and more visitors coming into your website. And two, you can increase the amount of quality referral traffic you get from that particular guest post, from people clicking actually on your link within that article coming back to your website. That can also increase your blog following as well. In fact, I've gotten a lot of good clients actually from guest posting and referral traffic. So really the main benefit here is the backlink that you build to help with your SEO, but such an underrated and awesome side benefit here is the increased referral traffic you'll get as well. So two really great benefits here to increase your blog following. Next is to focus on YouTube SEO as well. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel and you're a blogger, I definitely recommend starting one and creating a channel for yourself. If you do have a YouTube channel, definitely make sure that you're also focusing on YouTube SEO as well. This can be a great way to drive more traffic to your website. If your videos get ranked within Google or even within YouTube search, this can be a great way to increase your viewership on your YouTube channel, your subscribers there. And also you can add your blog links within your video description, or you can add a maybe even a squeeze page link to capture email addresses within your video descriptions. This can be a great way from people clicking over from your YouTube channel, your YouTube videos, over to your blog to increase your blog following as well. I've gotten a lot of email subscribers this way and just a lot more general exposure to my website utilizing YouTube and YouTube SEO. So definitely a tactic worth trying for yourself. And last but not least, and just to wrap everything up, that you need to be consistent with everything. So all the steps that we've laid out in this video, you're gonna wanna be consistent with this throughout all the blog content and all the blog articles that you produce, and YouTube videos also that you produce. So make sure that you're publishing content on a frequent basis, you're optimizing it properly. It's important to know that not every blog post you write is gonna rank highly in Google. So sometimes it's a bit of a numbers game, but the more quality, long form style content like I described and optimized, really properly content that you put out, the better chance you're gonna give yourself. So make sure you're publishing, at least a few articles a month to your blog for the best results. And you gotta find your own kind of rhythm here. For some people, I like to try to do, anywhere from 4 to 6 blog posts published to my website per month. But if you're busier, even just start with 1 to 2 if that feels more comfortable. The key is you got to be consistent here. I see so many bloggers fall off after a couple of months, or they're very sporadic in their content generation strategy. You got to be consistent, and you got to be willing to put in consistent effort here. So that about wraps it up. Definitely don't underestimate the power of SEO and building your blog following. In fact, I think as a blogger, search engine optimization and optimizing your website properly should be one of the top priorities, because this is organic traffic that can be, flooding into your website for years and years to come, and even from articles that you've written, way in the past. So it's a super powerful strategy. I'll leave the link to this blog post that I wrote if you'd rather read the article and take down some of the steps and take some notes down as well. It might be helpful to look at it that way. Definitely give this a shot. This is a great way that I've increased my overall blog following and readership, and I think it could be super powerful for you as well. So with that being said, if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and give me a thumbs up on the video if this was helpful to you. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much.